Hello guys! Today I have got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your iPhone. So, the first thing that you need to do is to open the settings. Now, open Bluetooth. Here, scroll down to the other devices section. Open your case lid and find the button which is over here. It's actually almost invisible, I know, but what I mean by that means that you need to hold it for 2 seconds until you see your LED light flashing like this. If you see that your light is already flashing like this, blinking, it means that you are already in the pairing mode. Of course, this happens only after the factory reset, so so now tap here. Or either after factory reset or just simply when you are first time setting up your device. As you can see, now we are paired, connected. That's it. Goodbye.